Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in gaining administration skills that you need for the modern workplace? Then this program is for you because you are going to be learning IT administration skills, email system configuration, organization collaboration tools that you need for your admin tasks. And if today is your first time of coming across our channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and on your notification to always get educational content videos whenever it drops. Let's dive in now. Alright guys, let's start the application process now. So I'm using Google, so I'll just type www.scholarshiptab.com. Okay, so this is our website, scholarshiptab.com, where we have like so many lists of scholarship going on. So I'll be using the search button to search for the Devosta Microsoft scholarship training program. So search. So this is the Devosta Microsoft 365 Exchange Administration Scholarship Training Program 2026. So I'll be clicking on that so that it will open, so we can start the application process. So it's open right now. So this program is just basically concerning administration scholarship training program, the skills that you need to learn, especially if you're going to be going into like the admin roles and all of that. So it's a scholarship training program for everybody. Is open to all. So the Devosta Solution Limited Microsoft 365 Exchange Administration Program is a tech education and scholarship initiative designed to equip young Africans with in-demand cloud productivity and enterprise administration skills aligned with modern workplace needs. So just as I said, it's giving you skills that you need for your modern workplace to transition, maybe if you're going to be going into a career. So the skills or tools that you need to learn how to use to go into the modern workplace. So program purpose, the initiative was created to address three major gaps: digital skills shortage among African youth, limited access to enterprise IT training, growing demand for certified cloud administrators globally. The program aims to democratize access to professional Microsoft ecosystem training while positioning participants for employment, freelancing, or career advancement in IT administration. Just as I said already, if you know you want to build a career like in administration and you need tools that you're going to be using for that role, or freelancing, employment. So that is why this program was created. The program focused to know what you're actually going to be learning. The training centers on practical administration of tools within the ecosystem developed by Microsoft Corporation, particularly Microsoft 365 tenant setup and management, Exchange online administration. So this is like what the program is focusing on: security and compliance fundamental, email system configuration and troubleshooting, organization collaboration tools. Participants gain both technical knowledge and real-world administrative workflows used by modern organizations. So it's just basically telling you that you are going to be gaining technical knowledge, skills that you need to transition into the administration roles used by modern organizations, so that you won't be you won't be lost behind when those tools are being used if you find yourself in that setting. Okay, so guys, for the course outline for this Microsoft 365, so it's going to be like a 6 weeks training. So you can see the course outline here: Entra ID and what is all about, admin center overview, Exchange online admin. So it's just, you will see by side, creating and managing of mailbox, delegate permission, mail flow and message traceability, SharePoint or OneDrive admin, security admin, team admin, managing users and team policy. So who are the target audience for this program? The target audience are young Africans seeking tech careers, graduates and career switchers, entry-level IT professionals, remote job seekers, individuals with little or no prior cloud experience. The program is intentionally beginner friendly to widen participation across Africa. You can see the application deadline is still open now. Is a training, the sponsor, Devosta Solution Limited, and this program is open for both male and female gender. Aim and benefits of this program. What are you going to gain by attending this training program? Opportunity to get an entry-level job, because if you get yourself like accustomed to these administration skills, you get yourself trained to have these skills in you, so you'll be able to get an opportunity to get an entry-level job, to get a remote or an international job, networking and community support. So that is what this training is going to do for you. So it's going to open you up to put yourself out there via the career base and all of that. So requirements for the Devosta Microsoft training. So you can see anyone can apply. Just as I said, the program is open to everybody. So if you're interested in building like a tech career skill, this program is for you. Document required for application. No document is required, and the application is still currently open. So now we're going to go down to how to apply. Interested and qualified, go to Devosta Solution to apply. So I'll be clicking that. So this is the Devosta Solution page, which I've already said everything here. You're going to be getting hands-on practical training, internship and job placement support, a supportive learning and professional community if you sign up for this program. So you're going now to fill the scholarship form. So first name. So you can see apply for the Microsoft 365 Exchange Administration Scholarship. Successful applicants will receive up to 95 tuition scholarships to study Microsoft 365 Exchange Administration. By submitting this form, you confirm that all information provided is accurate and that you agree to the Solution Limited terms and conditions. So now to fill in the form, first name. So I'll just enter my first name. So last name. So email. So please enter like a WhatsApp, like, and that's if you have any number you use for WhatsApp, or you have two numbers, so just enter your WhatsApp line here. So you just, I am not a robot, so submit. So then after, you must have filled in your application and make sure that your details are correct. So you just click submit. You can say, thanks for signing up. Kindly check your email for next steps. So it shows that you will get this message after you have submitted your details correctly. So you then, next step is you check your email for the next instruction concerning this scholarship training. So I'm checking my inbox to be sure that I've gotten like a message from the Devosta Solution Limited, so I can see it. So I'll open that message. So you can see we have received your scholarship application. Hi John, thank you for applying to the Devosta Microsoft 365 Exchange Administration Scholarship Program. We are pleased to confirm that we have received the application for this training program, and our admission team is currently reviewing it. So this scholarship is designed to equip learners with practical, beginner-friendly Microsoft 365 skills that are in high demand. So which I already explained when I was listing out the purpose, the objective and aim for the scholarship. So you will get an email like this must have submitted that scholarship form. So please do well to check your email. You can also check your spam if in case you didn't see it in your inbox. Check your spam to be able to get a confirmation email. Okay, they say what happened next. If selected, you receive a confirmation email with your scholarship details and onboarding instructions. So after this email, you'll be sent another email again that comes in with your scholarship details and onboarding. So please do well to keep checking your email, check your inbox or check your spam to be sure that you get a mail like this. Warm regards from the Devosta Solutions Limited. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Please do well to check out our YouTube channel because we make a lot of scholarship videos in case you want to study in Canada, UK, Malaysia, or any European country. We scholarship videos tailor that for you. And don't forget to keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and on your notification to always be the first to get our educational content video whenever it drops. And do well to join our community, the WhatsApp community, Telegram, LinkedIn, and the description is going to be in this video.